Hi, beautiful. What's your name?
My name is Taylor.
Nice to meet you. Can you walk me through your outfit today?
Yes, so my top is Jaded London. She cute.
Love it with the 3 tones.
Yes. My blazer is Kim Shui.
This blazer, I'm in love. I'm in love. That is what drew me to you.
Thank you. And then I have on these Urte cat pants. I hope I'm not butchering that name, but it's like URTE. So I'm gonna say Urte. Urte cat.
And these shoes, where are these from?
I got these on Depop for like $20, but I can look at the name and I can tell you.
Amazing.
I'm shimmy. What does it say?
I do not know.
That's either lowercase. Right, I'm like.
Can I get a detail on your accessories, like your ring?
Of course.
I love how you have color coordination all throughout this outfit. What's your fashion inspiration?
Today, honestly, or just like every day? Today?
Every day or today, whichever.
I always start with like one piece. Like today it was the blazer, and I was like, all right, like what do I have that can come off of that, but not be too matchy. You know what I mean? Like I feel like most people probably would have wore this for like white, but I'm like, that's fucking boring. So yeah, a little bit of eccentricness. You know what I'm saying?
I love.
Always chic.
Yes, you look very chic, very runway model. And do you have a fashion item that you've had your eyes on for a while that you haven't been able to get your hands on it just yet?
Yes. A pair of El Dantes.
What color?
They're like this white, light blue tan pair. I saw them on Depop the other day for like $4.50, but I was just like, I don't know if I should do it.
Oh my gosh, I hope you find them at a better deal, whatever. My other question is, if you were a designer, what would you love to design first? Yes! Oh my god, I love like a Vivienne Westwood corset style. My last question is not fashion related, but if you had the opportunity to clone yourself right now and you suddenly had a twin, would you do it?
Yeah.
And why is that?
So I can get double the amount of work done.
Yes, you will put her to work. Thank you so much for your time. Have a beautiful rest of your day. So much. Not for sale. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Kai.
Nice to meet you. Can you walk me through your outfit today?
Yeah, cool. So my sister thrifted this sweater right here from L Train, from Berkeley and Jensen. Calm little white tee, and then I got these jeans from Minimal.
I love these jeans.
Thank you. And then I also got these shoes from Keto Wear Designs.
From where?
Keto Wear Designs.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the belt?
The belt, I totally forgot where I got this from. I'm not gonna lie.
And your hat?
This hat, my cousin actually made it.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
that's amazing. What's your fashion inspiration?
Fashion inspiration? Shoot. I don't know. I guess it's like celebrities and stuff that I see for a while. A lot heavy influence is Michael Jackson. Even though that's kind of like far left, but yeah, Michael Jackson.
Do you have a fashion item that you've had your eyes on for a while that you haven't been able to get your hands on it just yet?
A couple pieces. I know for a fact I want to get a BB Simmons boat. I don't know. Not too many stuff, I'm not gonna lie. Maybe some pieces from Jerry Lorenzo.
Okay,
Yeah.
yes. And if you were a designer, what would you love to design first?
Oh, I think shoes and definitely jeans.
Yes, these shoes you got on right now are so unique.
Thank you.
And my last question is not fashion related, but if you had the opportunity to clone yourself right now and you suddenly had a twin, would you do it?
I don't know if I would do it because this world would be crazy if there was two of me.
Okay, fair enough. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoy the fashion show.
Thank you.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Kyra, or Penny.
Nice to meet you. Can you walk me through your outfit today?
Yes. Got a random crop top from my closet. Savage Fenty corset
Ooh.
that I just got. Some random chain, some Dickies that I thrifted, and my 11s.
And look at how color coordination on point. And can we get some details on your jewelry, your accessories? And what's your fashion inspiration?
I actually don't know.
Fair
I
enough.
just like what I like.
Fair enough. So do you think you have a dream item that you've had your eyes on for a while?
If I do, they're probably sneakers. And I can't remember because there's a lot.
Yes, I love shoes too, can relate. And if you were a designer, what would you love to design first?
That's a good question. I'm not really sure. I painted on like bags and stuff, but if I could design something myself, I want to design a book bag of one of my characters.
Oh, okay, cool. And if you could clone yourself right now and you suddenly had a twin, would you do it?
I think I would.
And why is that?
I just feel like it'd be very interesting to see what another half of me would be like.
Yes, I think so too. Thank you so much for your time and I hope you enjoy the show. Hi, what's your name?
Joshua.
Nice to meet you. Can you walk me through your outfit today?
Okay, so basically today, the person I'm modeling for, he asked me to wear all black, so I came in all black. This is actually his custom-made hat. Blowing Minds is the name of the brand.
I love this hat.
Horns and stuff, nicely furnished. Like you can see, this is smooth as hell. Like if you really feel it, it's smooth as hell. It's nice. It's nice. So we got that. We're dripping out with that. Then obviously we got some of the good shit right here. This is one of his hoodies, full zip by the way. Got to let y'all know it's the what do you call these again? The full zip. And he got the beads and stuff that says name. One of my personal favorites by him. Not just that, but yeah, we're dripping out.
And where's your shirt from?
My shirt is actually coming from Hot Topic, not gonna lie to you.
And the jeans?
These pants also come from Hot Topic, not gonna lie. I shop there a lot.
And your necklace, can we turn the teddy bear around?
Yeah, for sure. Okay, so the necklaces. The thing about these ones is the chains I usually make. I don't think anyone I'm wearing currently have the made ones.
Oh, I love that he has a
ones.
little hatchet or whatever, knife, whatever that's called.
I was gonna change. I have a heartogram, obviously. We got this is labradorite. Shines when the sun hits properly, so like it goes like blue. It looks like a storm.
Wow, that's so cool.
Then we got rings. Basic, simple. I'm pretty sure everybody knows.
And what's your fashion inspiration?
Ooh, okay. I say I like more to the on the grunge / gothic side. So like people who dress like I guess Zilla Kami from like City Mord, and I'd say Juice WRLD.
Yeah, super cool. And if you were a designer, what would you love to design first?
Ooh, actually, the person who made this actually helped me like design something. So like I made a tie with like a knife as the centerpiece of it.
Ooh, that sounds really
So,
cool, and it definitely goes with like your style.
Yeah.
And do you have a dream item that you've had your eyes on for a long time that you haven't been able to get your hands on just yet?
Ooh, I don't know, because usually the stuff that I get it on the spot, because I would don't like to waste time because stuff gets sold out. Like I got these one Fendi shoes.
So you already got your dream item?
I'll be getting my
Yes, that's what's up.
So, yeah.
And my last question is not fashion related, but if you had the opportunity to clone yourself right now and you suddenly had a twin, would you do it?
Of course, yeah.
And why is that?
Oh, because I just fuss with myself that much.
Okay, fair enough.
Narcissistic a little, you know?
Thank you so much for your time. I hope, well, you're going to be in the show,
Yeah,
so
I am
have fun walking in the show.
Yep, thank you.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Mari.
Nice to meet you. Can you walk me through your outfit today?
Yeah, so first off, I got a coach bag. I got a custom made shirt that me and my friend made. It's a collab actually.
Ooh, I like these iridescent spikes over here. Oh, they're fangs. I love it.
And Huda size wore jeans along with some Bottega boots.
Ooh, I love these jeans. And the jewelry we got.
My girl got this for me. Shout out to her. Little rings. Let's see. It's a little something like.
And what would you say your fashion inspiration is?
My fashion inspiration, a little bit Virgil, a little bit Kanye. I mean, I like all the big inspiration, but I'm trying to create something new, so I'm my own inspiration for the most part.
I love that. Do you have a dream item that you've had your eyes on for a while that you haven't been able to get your hands on just yet?
Honestly, it's whatever I haven't made.
I like that. I like that. Do you remember the very first thing you ever designed?
The very first thing I ever designed would have to be, it was like a black sweatshirt, I believe, and it was actually like some vinyl letters, and I just peeled the letters off, and it was like a box logo that said "Blow 'em on."
Nice. And My last question is not fashion related, but if you had the opportunity to clone yourself right now and you suddenly had a twin, would you do it?
I don't think so.
And why is that?
I couldn't have nobody as cool as me.
Okay, fair enough. Thank you so much for your time. Hi, what's your name?
Terrell Palmer.
Nice to meet you. Can you walk me through your outfit today?
Okay, so I got the Saints tee right now. You know what I'm saying? And then I got the Saint Laurent shades.
Oh, yes. Let me get the details. Okay.
And then I got the
And
off-white
these-
shoes on.
Okay. Ooh. And these pants.
Pants, yeah, I got the MJB.
Oh, wow. These pants are exquisite. And the watch?
Mark Jacques Burton. This is what the pants is. Yeah.
Mark Jacques Bergen.
Yeah.
And what's your fashion inspiration?
My fashion inspiration is I just like fly street stuff. You know what I'm saying? Whatever I like, that's what I get. Yeah.
Hell yeah. Do you have a dream item that you've had your eyes on for a while that you haven't been able to get your hands on just yet?
Dream item. I really like the Supreme Denim Tears varsity jacket, and then the I like the Supreme Dancing.
Okay, yes. And if you were a designer, what would you love to design first?
I probably design tees first and socks. I love socks.
Okay, yeah. And my last question is not fashion related, but if you had the opportunity to clone yourself right now and you suddenly had a twin, would you do it?
I do have a twin.
Oh, you do have a twin. Oh
Yeah.
my God. Oh, snap. Well, would you do it again?
Yes, I'll do it again.
And why is that?
Because we have a strong connection. We never argue. If we
Really?
do argue,
That's so beautiful.
If we do argue, then we like the next day we just throw it out the window.
That's so cool. I've always wanted a twin.
Yeah.
You live in my dream. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you enjoy the show.
All right, thank you.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Nate Has No Fashion.
Nice to meet you. Can you walk me through your outfit?
Right, so today I have a thrifted hat, Muffin Monster, because you know monsters are cool. Thrifted choppers.
Let's get the back of this shirt real quick.
Vintage chopper tee. These jeans are by Fajon Dia, small brand on Instagram, and I have the Rick Owens Tech 12 boots from season 2020, I think
The
it was.
Rick Owen boots.
Rick Owens boots.
Can I
and-
get a detailed look on your rings,
Alright, so
accessories?
this is some random ring that I found. This is from a brand called Chasing. It has the engravement in the inside. I don't know if you can see that, but it has the engravement inside. Two Face, some random thing I found, some random local jeweler, and a Gucci ring to top it off.
Ooh, I didn't even peep that one.
just
Tell
a
me why
couple-
you wear this ring again.
Oh, because I'm a Gemini and they be calling us Two Face. So I just like to be like, look, I'm really Two Face, aren't I?
You repping it. You repping
Yeah,
it.
that's about it. That's about
And
the
your
whole entire
necklace?
thing. Oh, this is by Last Disciples. It's like a pearl Jesus. They like Jesus. They like a lot of stuff like Christianity.
And I like the dagger on your earring.
Oh, this is from Naruto.
Oh, really?
Yes, it's Naruto's dad's kunai. That's what it is.
Love that, because I was looking at it and I never saw anybody, because I see those type of earrings, but I never saw that specific dagger. Now that you said it's Naruto, that's so
Naruto's.
cool.
Oh, and the glasses are Ray-Bans.
And what's your
Ray-Bans.
fashion inspiration?
Boredom. I guess that's the best way to explain it. I don't really have
So
anybody
you're
I look
drawn
at.
to unique
Yeah,
items.
I don't really look at anybody. Like, okay, matter of fact, no, I lied. I think my fashion inspiration is like whatever the community wears, like whatever they got going on. I like to see what they're doing and try to grab inspiration from them. But then again, I do try to do things myself. But I like to just look at what, like, I don't look at anybody famous or anything like that because they have the money to do it. I like to see people that don't have the funds make something look fire. Like, to me, that's like a real, like, I guess that's real. Like, you know,
Real
you don't-
style, when you
that's
can
what I'm
pull
saying.
something off and make it look expensive, but it's not
Exactly.
designer
It's
from
like,
head
you know,
to
like what
toe.
I'm saying, like, this is the only thing expensive on me is the Gucci ring and the boots. That's it.
So you wouldn't say you have like a dream item that you've had your eyes on for a while that you haven't been able to get your hands on just yet?
I do, and I forgot what they're called, but they're Rick boots. Forgot what season, but they're basically like boots like up to here, and they have like a translucent sole, and they're like $2,000, and I just don't want to pay it.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
They're so nice,
Yes.
but I just don't see myself paying that much, like, out of pocket. So I'll have to see if I can finesse, you know, like a tray with some cash on top. But that boot is the boot I need.
And if you were a designer, what would you love to design first?
So I actually am almost a designer. So I've designed my first sample piece for my brand, which would be No Fashion. But you said what would I want it to look like?
Well, what was the first thing you designed for your brand?
Oh, it was a hoodie. It was a hoodie made of it was like a tapestry hoodie made of like carpet. So it has I photoshopped a picture of a baby's head from my job, because I'm a pre-K teacher, and tattooed my brand's, like, not tattooed, but put the brand's name on the face of the baby as face tats, and put the baby's face on top of a carpet that looks like clouds. So,
Oh,
like,
nice.
so the clouds stuff was not dyed, but it was like printed onto the carpet material. So it was a picture I have on my phone that I took of the sky, and I just edited it to make it look like layers, and then put the baby face on top of it, and then did all the other stuff. And
Dope will definitely plug in your brand. And this is not a fashion related question, but if you had the opportunity to clone yourself right now and you suddenly had a twin, would you do it?
hell yeah.
And why is that?
Because who else gonna know me better than myself?
Definitely.
I'll be like my homie, my best friend. I don't really need friends that I have my own twin, to be real with you.
Right.
But yeah, I'll definitely.
And how would you describe the fashion in New York City?
Yo, listen, it's everywhere. Like, there's so many different flavors you can go with in here. Like, because in fashion there's so many subcategories to this and that and third, and this can be something, but if you change like the boot, it'll be something different. Over here, it's just like we got it all. Like, I don't really see no other place that can do it the way we do it.
Completely agree. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy the rest of your night.
Yo, likewise.